Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Visual Coding. So let us begin with the Python interface. This is Anaconda Spider Python 3.8 version, and as we discussed in the last video, today we will begin with the very first program of Python. And this the screen visible on your monitor is a Python interface. So let us begin with the first program. Okay. So topmost this part where it is written hash and coding UTF-8. So this is coding format. UTF stands for Unicode Text Formatting. As we know that Python is platform independent code. Python generates the platform independent code. So we can run it in any platform. That's why it follow UTF-8 formatting. Okay. So if this line, if we remove, by default it is there. If you remove, it does not affect the program functioning. Then this line by default ये आपके स्क्रीन में लिखा हुआ आएगा created on Friday date and time at what time like today is Friday 19 of August and I'm beginning with the program. So this is, you can see this complete line is enclosed within triple quote. So I explained you this triple quote symbol we use for multi-line comments. So when we want to add multi-line comments, we use triple quote symbol, but here we will add the title of program. So what we are going to do, program to print any message or message. Okay, message to user. एक कोई भी मैसेज हम हेलो वर्ल्ड या हेलो पाइथन हेलो स्टूडेंट्स कोई भी प्रोग्राम यूज कर सकते हैं. So the very first, Python use print statement, print. It's a case sensitive language है. Everything is in lower case letter हमें use करना है. And then you type, this is the, say hello world. Okay. So the code I have written here, I hope it is visible. Yeah. Fine. I hope it is visible now. So this window where I'm typing the code, this is called source code window, and this is console window where we can see the output of the program. Okay, the right side of the screen where I've highlighted some text, and you can see this is the console window where we can see the output. This topmost is the menu bar as usual, the title bar at the top, and then the menu bar where you find the file, edit, search, source, run, and other options. Then we have some tool menu, ready-made options available here. There you will find an option where my cursor is pointing at the time, is called play button. Okay, this is play. You can say play, you can say run 5, and there is a shortcut also F5. So when I press on run file, now you can see the console window में अगर आप देखेंगे, the output message hello world is printed. Okay, and this is the path of program where I have saved. I will save the program hello world. So not only hello world, any message, if you want to give any output through Python window, then yeah, hello everyone, welcome to Visual Coding. Okay, so I have typed this message, hello everyone, welcome to Visual Coding. So let us run the file. Fine, you can see the console window. In console window, you can see the output is there. So it's very clear, very first program you have done. Print statement is used to give the output. Okay. Now you can go to the file and new file. चलिए again we'll do the another program. We'll remove this and we'll do a simple program to add two numbers. Okay, so this is very basic program we are going to do now. We will add two numbers. तो हमें दो numbers को add करना है. तो when we want to add two numbers, तो हमें वो दो number भी चाहिए. तो हम ऐसा करेंगे, वो दो number user से लेंगे. We will ask user to enter any two numbers. Okay, so this is a very simple and beginning program. So we require variables for that. Just like in math, some variable लेते हैं xyz. Have xyz, abc, any variable you can pick up. So x equal int. Fine. So int why we are using, देखिए बहुत अच्छी the options are available in Python that the moment you type a keyword or any keyword specifically, it show you the related option to it. Okay, तो क्या लिखता है देखिए int, it stands for the integer. So int stands for integer. Now I need to ask user to receive input. So again input is a command here. क्या देखता है देखिए इनपुट के बारे में बताता है, read a string from standard input. So input is a command here which will help to receive input from user, like enter. I will ask FIRST, first number, correct? Fine. Now another thing is very important, that this highlighted part is simply a message. आप इसमें upper case, lower case does not matter. This is within the double quotes. Double quote within the double quote is a message for the user, and here if you type everything in lower case or upper case, does not matter. So this is the input statement for first. Then we'll ask another number, same line, input. Okay, and we'll ask user to enter second number. Fine. Yeah. तो हमने यूजर से दो नंबर ले लिए, एक x के अंदर जाएगा एंड दूसरा y के अंदर, and we'll take another variable which will add x and y. So whatever will be the value of x and y, the value will go to z and will print the value of z. So we can give the message again, sum equals to z. That's all. The program is ready. So it is such a simple program. चलिए इस program को हम run करते हैं. So play or run file. Okay. Now see my console window. What is asking is the same message here. ये वही मैसेज है जो मैंने यहाँ पर टाइप किया. ठीक है. So within double quote जो भी मैसेज आप upper case, lower case में टाइप करेंगे, वो as it is आपकी आउटपुट विंडो में रिफ्लेक्ट करेगा. और सपोज करिए फर्स्ट नंबर हम देते हैं 24. प्रेस एंटर. is asking for second number, say 25. कोई भी नंबर दे सकते हैं, just an example, and press enter. तो देखिए sum is 49. Okay, so this is one very simple program हमने यहाँ पे बनाया. हमने यूजर से दो नंबर का इनपुट लिया. ये नंबर कुछ भी हो सकते हैं, 24, 25 are just example, and program simply add the number. Okay, so not only the addition, we can do the subtraction, we can do the multiply, divide. So let us do that. Again, we'll take a variable, say multiply और प्रोडक्ट. चलिए हम ले लेते हैं प्रोडक्ट. वेरिएबल का नाम PROD हम ले लिया. PROD इज अ वेरिएबल नेम. जरूरी नहीं है ABCD ले, हम एक कंप्लीट नेम, प्रॉपर नेम हमें वेरिएबल को देना चाहिए. सो वी कैन डू दैट. But we always remember that a variable name identifier should not carry a space, any space in between, should not carry dot, and should not be a keyword. Okay, so let us product. To multiply two number in Python we use asterisk symbol. देखिए, whatever value you will give or x and y, it will multiply, and now you can give the answer. Okay, so you need to give the output message to see the answer, otherwise आपको आंसर का पता नहीं चलेगा. So again let me make it product. And what is my variable name? It should be same, PROD. Remember the variable names are case sensitive. अगर आपने x को capital लिया है तो you will be using everywhere x capital. Like in PROD में मैंने सब कुछ स्मॉल लिखा है. देखिए अगर मैं यहाँ पे P कैपिटल कर दूं तो एरर देगा तुरंत. ओके, so it should be the same way, the way we have declared the variable PROD in small letter. Fine. चलिए likewise we'll do subtraction. Say minus और सब ले लिया. We can do x minus y. Sorry, it's minus y, and we can give the output message difference. Okay, we can write difference of the number. So difference equals to, and my variable name is sub. तो सब आ गया. रन करके चेक करते हैं. चलिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रन फाइल F5. Now enter the first number, say 45. Enter the second number, let's say 10. Easy number लेते हैं so that we can verify the answers. So sum is 55. Product, if we multiply 45 and 10 we get 450, and difference is 35. Okay, such a easy language is Python. I hope this example is clear to you. Let us do the division also. It's important. See, when we divide two numbers, division give always two answers. One is quotient and second is remainder. डिवीजन के हमेशा दो आंसर होते हैं. एक क्वोशंट है जिसे हम भागफल कहते हैं, एंड एक रिमाइंडर जिसे हिंदी में हम शेषफल कहते हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. आई वांट क्वोशंट, सो लेट्स सी QOT equals to x upon y. So this forward slash symbol, remember, this forward slash symbol used to get the quotient of the division. So quotient equals to QUOT. My variable name is QUOT. And the last, let's say remainder, तो हम REM कर देते हैं. Remainder के लिए we use the symbol percentage, or we say it is modulus. So modulus symbol का हम use करते हैं, या percentage symbol का हम use करते हैं to get the remainder. So remainder equals to REM. Okay. So all arithmetical calculations we have done. Let us run the program and check the answers. इस बार हम फर्स्ट नंबर देते हैं say 55, and second number हम देते हैं 7. Let us check the answer. Okay, all the answers are here on the screen. So when you divide number Sum, you got 62. Product, if you multiply both the number, you will get 385. Difference, if you subtract, you get 48. Quotient, okay, when you divide without decimal, you get 7 only, but when you divide with complete decimal division, it's 7.85 and so on. There's it. Remainder जो आपको देता है, if you divide the number without decimal, ठीक है, as a whole number आप divide करते हैं, then you get the division. So 7 7s are 49, and if you see 55, so 55 minus 49, you get 6 as a remainder, right? So this is all about the arithmetical calculations of two variable. Please practice these examples. These are very easy and basic examples. Python use different operator for different mathematical operations. So धीरे धीरे अपने programs में हम उन सभी operations को, उन सभी operators को यहाँ पर use करेंगे, and we will learn how the Python use the basic calculations of mathematics. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Keep learning, keep growing.